1949, and construction has just begun in Richmond Heights, a Miami, Florida neighborhood built by Captain Frank C. Martin for Black World War II veterans that have returned home. It's actually recognized as one of the country's first Black veteran communities. The rich history is chronicled in the book Images of America, Miami's Richmond Heights, by the first families, church leaders, and business owners. This book holds over 200 historic photographs and authentic documents that complement their story. You'll learn about the resident who was key in Miami's desegregation, the importance of the 1945 hurricane, and President Harry Truman's involvement. Get your copy of Images of America, Miami's Richmond Heights, in stores on December